Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an item from your inventory on TCG Player. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to sell a certain card on TCG Player because it sold somewhere else. How do you actually go ahead and remove it from TCG Player? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TCG Player. Next, click on inventory, and then click on my inventory only as far as the checkbox goes. And let's go ahead and find a card in our inventory. So once we find a card in our inventory, you're going to see the total quantity here. In order to remove a card, you're just going to go ahead and click 0, or you can click on clear inventory and then save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove an item from your inventory on TCG Player. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.